Okay, today we're going to read a book titled Basketball. So in this story, we're going to learn all about basketball. So let's get started. Basketball. This is what the ball looks like. This is what the hoop looks like. This is what the net looks like. This is what the shirt looks like. This is what the shorts look like. This is what the shoes look like. This is what the bus looks like. This is what the court looks like. This is what the players look like. This is what the water looks like. This is what the wheelchairs look like. This is what the whistle looks like. This is what the scoreboard looks like. Power words. This is what the look like. You try. This is what the look like. Awesome job. Now I want you to grab your books in your Ziploc bag and read for a few minutes.